In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-number in AutoCAD. This feature can be a real time saver, especially when you're dealing with multiple text objects that require sequential numbering. Whether you're working on architectural designs, engineering blueprints, or any project that involves extensive text annotation, this trick will enhance your workflow and precision. First, before we dive into the AutoCAD environment, make sure you've prepared all the text that you need to number. In this example, I'll be working with 6 blocks of text, each labeled with the letter A, neatly aligned along the Y-axis. Preparing your text in advance ensures that you can apply the auto-numbering seamlessly without any interruptions or mistakes later on. Now, let's head over to the command line, which is our main tool for implementing commands in AutoCAD. You're going to type in the command TCOUNT, which stands for text count. Make sure there are no spaces in between the letters, then press Enter. This command will trigger the auto-numbering function and allow us to choose which text objects we want to modify. Next, with the command activated, you'll need to select all the text that you wish to auto-number. Click and drag over the text, or hold down Shift, and select each block individually, whichever method you find easier. Once you've got all your desired text selected, go ahead and press Enter again. This tells AutoCAD, yes, these are the text objects I want to work with. At this point, AutoCAD will ask you an important question about the direction of numbering. Since my example texts are aligned along the Y-axis, I'll go ahead and choose Y. If your text is aligned differently, such as along the X-axis, you would select that option instead. It's crucial to make sure you choose the correct axis alignment to ensure consistent numbering. After selecting your desired direction, press Enter to continue. Now, here's where we determine how the numbering will increment. For my example, I want the numbers to start at 1 and increase by 1 for each subsequent block of text. To achieve this, I simply enter 1 as the starting number, then 1 again for the increment value. Alternatively, if you wanted the numbering to skip numbers or start from a different point entirely, you could enter those values here. After you've input your starting number and increment, hit Enter one last time. And that's it. You should now see that each block of text has been auto-numbered according to your specifications. This simple yet efficient feature can dramatically streamline your designing process, ensuring that your drawings are both organized and easy to interpret. Practice this a few times, and you'll quickly become adept at integrating auto-numbering into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful AutoCAD tips.